Hello everyone and welcome for this new video about TradingView. It's our second video about TradingView. Today we are gonna see how we can create watch lists, how we can manage them and import new watch lists. So we are on TradingView on the desktop app, and sometimes you can have your trading view like this, so only the chart, nothing on the right side. So you just have to click here on watch list and detail in top right. So you click on it and you see now that you have a panel that opens with here some info about the coin or the stock you're checking. So here you can see beautiful break retest bounce on Luna BTC, but that's not the main concern of this video. Today we're gonna talk about watch lists. So first, for a watch list we need to create a new one. So you click here. Maybe if you never created any watch list before, you will be on red list. You just click on it and you click on create new watch lists. You have to put a name for this list. We're gonna put YouTube and save. Now you have your watch list here. The watch list is empty because we did not put any crypto or stock inside it. So how to add stocks or crypto in our watch list? You have different choices. First one, you click on the plus here, add symbol, and you just search for the symbol you want to add. For example, Avalanche, AVAX against USD on FTX. So you just click on the plus, add to watch list. Now you see you have AVAX USD here in your watch list. So now when you click on AVAX, you have the AVAX charts that opens. We will do the same for another coin, for example BTC USD. You can, if you want, you don't have to click on add symbol here. You can just do a right click on the chart, and here you can see add BTC USD to watch lists. You search for your watch list, or is YouTube. Where is YouTube? Here on the top, and here you can see BTC USD is in our watch list. You can also click on Alt plus W. For example, Ethereum against BTC. You just click Alt W and you see Ethereum here in your watch list. So this is the easy part, how to add coins to your watch list. For example, you would like to follow the S&P 500. Let's say you want to check S&P. You select the S&P you want. For example, this one. No, not this one. S&P here. And you can add to watch lists too. So you can mix coins with stocks or even forex, whatever. So now you have altcoin, Bitcoin, and indices in your watch list, and you would like to make it clean with categories. So you can add sections in your watch list. How to do it? You just select one in your watch list, and then click right. And you click on Add Section. You see here a section is added. You can drag it to the upside or downside. It's the same with the altcoin and stocks you have in your watch list. For example, BTC USD, if you want it to be in the bottom, you just click on it and put it downside. You can manage like this. Now, section 1, it's good you can have sections, but I would like to manage my watch list and put altcoins together, Bitcoin in one section and this in other section. So we have a first section, double click, double left click, and you can change the name of the section. For example, indices. And click enter. Now we have the S&P 500. For example, the DAX index. And you can add to the watch list too, here in indices. Now I want to make another section for altcoins. I just click right, add section. Second section is here. I want to put it there and name it altcoins. So I have AVAX and Ethereum in altcoins, but I still have Bitcoin here that is not an index and is not an altcoin. So Bitcoin, we will create a new section for Bitcoin. Okay. So now we have seen how to create a new watch list, how to add things in our watch list, stock, crypto, and we have seen how to add sections to our watch list. Now I have made my watch list and I would like to share it with one of my friends. So it's easy. You just have to click on the three dots here and you click export lists. And then you just have to click register and your watch list will be saved as a TXT file. You just have to share with your friends. Now you have share your watch list. I will show you how to import one watch list. Let's see it. And I will show you a nice website where you can find all the watch lists you need to find. So here it's sandwich.finance. You just go on this website and you have all the markets here of Binance, FTX, KuCoin, Bitfinex, Coinbase, Kraken, Poloniex, and so on. So you can download all these watch lists and they are updated every hour, I think. Not sure about it, but it's up to date. So for this example, we're gonna check the FTX all markets. So you just click on it and you see here FTX all markets is downloaded. So you go back on TradingView and what you do is click on the three dots and import watchlist. Here you can see the FTX all markets watchlist that have just been downloaded. You click on it, open, and here is the FTX all markets watchlist. As you can see, there is already sections in the watch list. So it's a very, very good tool to use. I like it and I use it almost every day. So this is all the things you can put in your columns. What you can do too is have all your watch lists with some orders. So you can sort by symbol from A to Z, or Z to A, or you can click to return to customized order. So let's say you have a watch list, like let's say this one. It's not in the alphabetical order. So if you click on it, it will be sorted by symbol, and you will lose all the order you had in the watch list. So you click 3 times and it goes back to your custom sort you had before. Where is YouTube here? So it's all I had to say about watch lists. It's very useful tool you can use every day to share with other friends and people, and use sandwich.finance. I hope you found it useful, and you will find useful the other videos that are coming in the coming weeks. Have a good day, everyone, and bye bye.